It is an incredible thing to find someone who comes into your life like a force, a person that you want to better yourself every day for, a person whose happiness you will commit to always placing in front of your own. Alix, you're an incredible woman. Brandon, you have grown into a great man, and I have loved watching you grow into a great partner for Alix.
Throughout the ups and downs of life, their dedication and devotion have been constant and unwavering. Alix and Brandon truly bring out the best in each other. It's been remarkable to witness their love and commitment for one another as they build a beautiful life together. I'm so happy you found your person that you can share all your life adventures with.
Alix, I vow to commit my passions to you. I vow to be a supportive member of your family forever, and I vow to build a family of our own with you. I vow to evolve perpetually and improve every single day. I vow to love you fiercely, without compromise, and I vow to be your devoted and loving husband from this day forward.
I promise to love you with all of my heart. I promise to dance with you like no one is watching and scream at the top of my lungs when our teams are winning. I promise to lift your heart up when the rest of you is down and support you through anything and everything. And I promise to be your best friend, your partner, and now your wife. I cannot wait to continue our lives together and accomplish new goals like starting a family, traveling the world, and continuing to have the absolute craziest adventures. You're a dream to me, my best friend and my soulmate. And in the smoking chaos, I found you. I love you.
I now pronounce you man and wife. You may now kiss the bride.
Brandon, where do I start? I don't know if it was intoxicating or intoxicated, but I've enjoyed our conversations together on the bay and in the desert and all of that. It's been amazing. Thank you. I love you and I welcome you into our family. I'm going to say this many times. I love you guys. Congratulations. Enjoy, everybody.
Alix, it's weird to say that we're adding you to the family because she's already been a part of our family for a decade. Having lived with Brandon and Alix, their cooperation and tolerance for one another is extremely impressive. They both make sacrifices for each other that are extremely important in sustaining a healthy marriage. I love both of you, and I hope no doubts your lives together will be happy and successful because you've already been married for like 8 years now.
Alix, I've never actually said like how proud of you like I actually am to actually see your family grow up to be like become like successful and like beautiful and amazing, and to be able to find somebody like Brandon to meet your partner, like that's hard. Like not everybody finds that, and the fact that you found that and you guys are happy, like I've seen you guys interact and it's like real, you know. And Brandon, if I had a brother, I would want him to be exactly like you. Congratulations to Brandon and Alix. I love you both.
One of the most satisfying rewards is seeing your child experience true love and happiness, which she has absolutely found in Brandon. Brandon, we love you so much. I wish you both a lifetime of happiness, laughter, and love that only continues to grow with each wonderful year.